code for Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are actually going to learn how we can figure out the codes for Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you didn't know that Netflix actually has secret codes that can unlock hidden movies and TV shows, and here are some examples. So if you open up your browser and then simply search code for Netflix here, you will find a couple of codes over here that says Netflix has these secret codes, and 1365 is action and adventure, 77232, and actually to use these codes what you have to do is just go to netflix.com, tap on the three lines option here, then simply go to account. Then once you come to the account page, scroll down to the bottom, go to the service code tab over there. Then once you go to the service code, there you'll be able to see the code which you can actually use, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then use the codes for Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.